Did you know that there was a zero down, no PMI mortgage product? I bet you didn't. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about it. I'm Shaheedah Hill, getting you over the hill to home ownership and helping you confidently buy your first home. I have mentioned this in a couple of my videos because I've had 2 clients use this loan product over the last year. And so I wanted to get into more information about it and how you can possibly take advantage of this type of loan. It allows you to buy a home with 0 down payment and no private mortgage insurance. Through the Community Reinvestment Act, which is an act that was enacted in the 70s, it incentivizes some local community banks to make these types of mortgages in their local community to help low to moderate income buyers get mortgages at with more favorable terms. So I'm going to list 3 banks that have these programs. But I also want you, just in case they're not in your area, I want you to ask about these programs in your local community. So if you see some of your smaller community banks, you may want to ask, do you have some special programs as part of the Community Reinvestment Act? And you may find that they're not widely advertised, but they do have those types of programs. Let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of this type of loan. So first, it allows you to buy a home with no money down. So you're able to save, and if you haven't saved enough, it allows you to buy without having that much in savings. You do still have to account for your closing costs, but most of these loans, if we weren't in the seller's market that we're in today, the seller is more likely to contribute to some of your closing costs. So just be mindful of that. It also has no private mortgage insurance. So it's really a great benefit to save you some money, at least on the monthly payment, because it has no PMI. It's also a conventional loan product. So conventional loans in a seller's market, they're more likely to be accepted than some of your FHA or other government products. Those are the positive things about this type of loan. Now let's get into the negative, but do me a favor, please, and like and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You could find with this loan program that the interest rate may be a little bit higher. That has been my experience. However, sometimes the lack of PMI makes up for that higher interest rate. However, it may not be the case with all lenders. So you always want to get at least two different estimates. You want to see what it would look like for you to use a program like this, no down payment and no PMI, versus another program, maybe a Home Possible or Home Ready conventional loan that's a 3% down payment, or an FHA loan, which is a 3.5% down payment. It also may restrict where you can live because these loans are meant for low to moderate income communities. So although, it just puts out like the high levels of income or high income neighborhoods, there's a big portion of every state that has low to moderate income communities. Other than that, it is a good opportunity for you to possibly get a 0 down, no PMI mortgage. I'm listing some information about the Community Reinvestment Act. I'm listing the 3 lenders that I'm aware of that have this type of loan program. They are Synovus Bank, Cadence Bank, and Navy Federal Credit Union has it as well. And again, if those lenders are not in your community, I want you to go to your regional lenders, your community lenders, to see if they have something similar. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.